Hello teachers, this little video is about incident report forms. So in your cart or in your small group bin, whichever you have for your classes, you should find this orange folder that says incident report forms. So in this little folder, you will find 3 different forms. And the first one is your basic incident report. And this is for any incident that happens in your classroom concerning a child, concerning any other children, whether it might be an actual injury or an interaction that took place between 2 children or between children and teacher that you feel the parent needs to know about. Especially any injury, yes, we do need to actually report these. So make sure you do take time to fill this report out for any of those incidences that are in your class, and especially make sure that it's signed at the bottom. We need to make sure that the parent is aware of this incident. So have them read over it, have them sign it, and then place it back in the folder in your drawer so that we can file this away for insurance purposes. The second form is if anything does actually happen where we have to call a secondary medical attention to it, like we need to call EMS or we need to take the child to the hospital, something to that degree. So we actually have a incident report just for that, where it says secondary medical attention obtained. So again, just filling this out and making sure that the parent has signed, and make sure, and both of these we actually have for the teacher to sign, for the parent to sign, and for the department head. So that could either be Sister Patsy or myself. One of those two would suffice for that signature. The last one is really something that I don't feel like we would ever have an issue with this at TCC, but we have it in here, just to cover all of our bases, make sure that there is a proper procedure for handling this. But if there is any issue that you have with a fellow teacher or fellow church member, not necessarily, or maybe even a parent, but it's not really child related, it's more, co-worker kind of or leadership issues here. And this is the anecdotal concern report. So this is one that you would actually fill out for anything that's not related to an incident with a child. And again, just listing out, what department you're head, who's completing the form, and, give a good description of your concern and the reasons for what you observed, what was said, that kind of thing. So, so those are the 3 forms in our incident report form, and these, again, in the orange folder that says incident report forms, that will be found either in your cart or in the small group bins. Thank you.